Welcome back and continuing the news. 14 members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade completed the brigade's first ever drone training program, equipping them with new skills to support firefighting, search and rescue, and disaster response. Details in this report.
The Jamaica Fire Brigade has taken a significant step in modernizing its emergency response capabilities, with 14 firefighters graduating as the first officially trained drone operators. The graduation held recently in St. Mary follows the brigade's first ever week-long training program on the use of unmanned aerial vehicles. During this intensive course, participants learned how drones can be used to support firefighting, search and rescue operations, disaster damage assessments, and many more.
Through this initiative, the Jamaica Fire Brigade is formally establishing our UAV capabilities in key operational areas, harnessing technology to improve situational awareness, support incident command, enhance search and rescue operation, assess disaster impacts, and ultimately make our response safer and more efficient.
By increasing the number of trained drone operators within the Jamaica Fire Brigade, emergency teams will be able to gather critical information faster, improve decision-making, enhance firefighting safety, and deliver a more effective response to emergencies across the island.
The knowledge and practical skills you have acquired will allow us to gather critical information more quickly, make better operational decisions, and develop resource more effectively during emergencies and deploy. The future of emergency management is increasingly technologically driven, and you will play a vital role in helping the organization navigate the future.
Drones, which already provide valuable tools for emergency responders, will allow live aerial views of smoke plumes, fire scenes, and disaster areas that are often too dangerous for ground crews to access. They are also equipped with thermal imaging cameras that can detect heat signatures through thick smoke and darkness, making them especially effective during nighttime operations and search missions. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.